Hi all, this riff is from the song called Wanted Dead or Alive by Bon Jovi. So to play this riff, we need a few shapes on the third string and first string, holding them together. So the right hand picking will be like 4-3, 1-3. So right hand is just going 4-3, 1-3. So before this picking, we have this just a D sus2 chord, with starting with A with as a bass. So we just hold third string second fret, second string third fret. Holding that, we just pluck from the fifth string. Then we go into this 4-3-1-3, holding these notes on the third string and first string. The first shape will be on the 14th fret of third string and the 13th fret on the first string. So it is holding 14 and 13 on this third and first string. We pluck 4-3-1-3. So next we have 12-12 on the third and 1. Same thing on the right hand we play. That is 4-3-1-3. Then again we go 10-10 on the third and 1. Then 9 and 8. So 14-13, 12-12, 10-10. Then we have 9 and 8. Then we go 5. So 5-5 on the third string and first string. Then 4 and 3. So we pluck that 4 again and slide down to second fret and pluck first string first fret. So this will be. Then we have a pickup note as a fourth string open. Then we directly go 3-1-3. Then we change the shape. Then we go 4-3-1-3. So we come from here. Then we repeat everything there. After 2 times, then we go. So we have fifth string open twice. Then third fret we got to slightly bend down. So we have that riff. So we have 0-0-3 on the fifth string. Then we have 0-3 on the fourth string. So whenever I'm playing that third fret, you got to slightly micro bend that down on the fifth string and fourth string. So then we hold D sus2 chord. So we pluck first string that is open, then 2-2 with third fret on the second string, then third string second fret. So with that, so we do that 3 times, same thing. Then we have, so we have that again open 2 times. Then we just play third fret. Then we bar the fourth string third fret along with the fifth string third fret. So then we slide down to the second fret, plucking fifth and fourth string together. Then we hold second fret on the fourth string, we pluck with fourth string open. So that's the ending. So from here,